A remarkable fossil discovery in southern New Zealand has unveiled a colossal prehistoric penguin species that once roamed the Paleocene coastline. Identified by researchers from the University of Cambridge, the species, Kumimanu fordycei, lived around 57 million years ago and weighed an estimated 350 pounds, 154 kilograms, dwarfing today's largest penguin, the emperor penguin. Published in the Journal of Paleontology and supported by Cambridge University and New Zealand Te Papa Museum, the study offers groundbreaking insight into the early evolution of penguins. It reveals a time shortly after the extinction of non-avian dinosaurs when giant, deep-diving seabirds flourished, unearthing a giant Kumimanu fordycei. The fossilized remains of Kumimanu fordycei were discovered in beach boulders along the North Otago coast, dating to between 59.5 and 55.5 million years ago. An international team of scientists, including paleontologist Alan Tennyson and Dr. Daniel Field, led the excavation and analysis. Advanced laser scanning technology allowed the team to digitally reconstruct the bones, comparing them to modern penguins and other seabirds. The immense size of this ancient bird challenges previous assumptions about the timeline of avian gigantism. Penguins grew giant sooner than thought. This discovery not only uncovers the largest penguin species ever found, but also one of the earliest. Kumimanu fordycei emerged just 5 to 10 million years after penguins first evolved, indicating that these birds began developing large body sizes far earlier than previously believed. Alongside Kumimanu, researchers also identified a second new species, Petradiptes stonehousei, which weighed around 50 kilograms, still significantly larger than any modern penguin. The coexistence of two massive penguin species in the same region underscores their early ecological success and diversity, suggesting they played prominent roles in their marine environments rather than being rare evolutionary anomalies. Why did penguins become giants? The massive size of Kumimanu likely offered several evolutionary advantages. Bigger penguins could dive deeper and stay underwater longer, accessing prey beyond the reach of smaller species. Their size may have allowed them to hunt larger fish and squid, occupying a role similar to that of small marine mammals. Thermoregulation was another benefit. A larger body retains heat more efficiently, an advantage in the cooling waters of the early Paleocene. Fittingly, the name Kumimanu means monster bird in Maori, reflecting its imposing presence along ancient shorelines. Interestingly, early penguins like Kumimanu still bore traces of their flying ancestry. Their flipper bones were relatively narrow, with muscle attachments resembling those of flight-capable birds, hinting at a transitional stage in their evolution. Over time, these features adapted for more efficient swimming, eventually leading to the sleek, torpedo-shaped penguins we know today. Why giant penguins disappeared? Despite thriving for millions of years across regions like New Zealand, Antarctica, and South America, giant penguins disappeared from the fossil record around 20 million years ago. The exact cause is still debated, but increasing evidence points to rising competition with marine mammals. As seals and toothed whales spread throughout the southern hemisphere, they likely competed with penguins for food and nesting grounds. Seals may have also preyed on chicks or displaced penguins at critical breeding sites. In contrast, smaller, more agile penguins adapted and endured, giving rise to the 18 modern species alive today. This discovery not only deepens our understanding of penguin evolution, but also offers a rare glimpse into the dynamic ecosystems that emerged after the age of dinosaurs, a time when seabirds ruled the southern seas.